So this is the end of quiz for 5.NBT.B.6 for dividing whole numbers, and this quiz focused on area models and different ways you'll see division problems besides the standard algorithm. So question A, examine the area model. Which division problem is represented by this area model correctly? So we haven't done a problem like this, but this is another way that you'll see area models, and you may have done this in a previous grade or even in your classroom. But 513 is what we started with. So the area of this whole space is 513. 19 is your divisor, and this up here is your quotient. So if we were solving that problem, basically what it's asking you to do is take 513 divided by 19, and you're looking for compatible groups. So you're taking out a group of 10 19s, which is 190. You get 323 left. You move that to the second box. We took another group of 10 19s and 190. You subtract that and get 133, and then 7 times 19 is 133. So the way this works, that's the way that works. And then so your dividend is 513, your divisor is 19, and then your quotient would be 27. But that's A. We see the same problem when I made the quiz. I got two different ways to show this problem, but both of this is the exact same problem, and so you're just going to drag these numbers down here, and your problem is 513 divided by 19. So that's a 2-for-1 on that problem. Here is another model of this. A student is dividing, and it tells you the dividend is 5,892, and there you see that, by 3 by using a rectangular array as shown. What is the quotient? So we just talked about that in the previous problem. So you'll see that 1,000 times 3 is 3,000. They subtract that amount and move that amount up there. Then 900 times 3 is 2,700. They subtract, and that's the amount that was the difference there. 60 times 3 is 180. Subtract, and you get 12 times 4. So if this is your dividend, this is your divisor. So this amount up here, which is the missing side link, is your quotient. So 1,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 4 is your quotient. So that's 4, 6, 9, 1. So 5,892 divided by 3 is 1,964. And that's the end of your quiz.